Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the air filter housing on your Honda engine, you will need a 10mm socket. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Depress the retaining tabs to release the air filter cover and remove the filter. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the two mounting bolts, securing the air filter housing and carburetor. Detach the old housing from the breather tube to fully remove. When installing the new air filter housing, first attach the breather tube to the housing port. Next, insert the mounting bolts. Align the air filter housing gasket, making sure the small hole in the gasket is at the top near the left mounting bolt. The carburetor should be slid onto the mounting bolts next. Position the air guide, keeping the small hole near the right mounting bolt. Now align the auto choke insulator with the plunger facing outward. Align the insulator gasket. Then position the entire assembly on the engine housing and thread the bolts to secure. Reinstall the air filter, making sure the filter's rubber seal is secure in the housing. Insert the cover tabs into the housing slots and snap the cover into place.